We are coming on to the second leg of onboarding, which is nothing but setting up masters for your accounting and for your consultant and DMATs. Over here, we'll be walking you through each and every step that is required to ensure your accounting per se is everything as per your either closing trial balance or as per your opening trial balance. Now, if you are someone who is already having a closing trial balance being maintained in some other accounting software, and if you are migrating it, at a later end, I'll show you how you can bring in your existing chart of accounts by inputting the current data of yours into our iRecords template and uploading the same. So there is no need for you to also manually generating each code or chart of accounts or ledgers in this particular software. Also, for someone who is very new and has never maintained any sort of accounting software prior to this, you would have to create each and every ledger as and when either you import your bank or if you have a very predefined existing list of accounts that you would want to work in, you can come onto this section called General Ledger Accounts and manually create all the ledgers. So, for example, if I have a TDS payable account, I'll simply create and mention TDS payable and map it under current asset, right? Now, we are assuming that whoever is working on this software has better and a good understanding about basics of accounting. If you are someone who is very new to this world of accounting, we would highly recommend for you to, glance through basics of accounting on YouTube or, refer some basics of accounting books that are available in the market to get yourself accustomed with what groups are to be selected uh, for the ledgers you are trying to create. Because only once you create the groups, it will be shown into respective financial statements. Income and expenditures will not show up in balance sheet, and your assets and liabilities will not show up in your income and expenditures or profit loss statement. So you have to be, very privy about what is it that you are working on and very mindful about what is the undergroup you are selecting while saving the ledger. If you have any opening balance carried forward from previous financial year to current financial year, you can also input the same over here. And if the account you feel is debit or credit, you can also select respectively for the same and hit save. So the moment you click on save, now on search, I can see my TDS payable account has been generated. Same way you can do for brokers, you can do for any other party name that you have or you transact with on day-to-day basis. Just one heads up, whenever you are opening a broker account in iRecord has to be generated and grouped in a specific broker account group format. So, for example, if I'm opening a broker called Zerodha Broking, I'll have to select my undergroup as broker under current assets. Only then you would be able to see brokers while you are importing your contract note. Again, at a stage two, as a subgroup part, we also have feasibility to define whether this broking account you are trying to create right now, whether this broker belongs to your stock in trade or trading portfolio. If not, it could be, by default be tagged under investment account or shared investment account. The only purpose and the differentiation between the two is that your tax reports will be showing different values basis your business income and your investment income. Once done, opening all the accounts, you can also glance to the report for all the subgroups and the ledgers you have created by opening this account master report. So this report will give you a better understanding of all the accounts that are present in your database for this particular member and also the ones that you generated just right now. So if you have mentioned any opening balance, running balance will be also shown to you, and whether the account is debit or credit will be tagged over here. And as I can see, it is under current asset and it will affect my balance sheet.